sweet. Your cooking is great. I love you, Mommy.